Okay, so hello. Today we're going to be doing a just quick how to do PowerPoint and to make a file to put it in. So first you're going to go down to search the web in Windows. Don't go to this one because it'll show this and all this you don't need. So you go down here and you're going to go to PowerPoint. Oops. There's PowerPoint desktop app. So I have a Mac, so it might look a little different. So, I'm sorry, I have Windows, so it might look a little different. I don't have a Mac. So let's go to the blank presentation. And you're going to see this once you put that. What is this? What? Oh, those are the design ideas. So once you see here, you're going to go to click to add title. I'm going to do dog. Make sure it's capitalized just so that you know that it's the title. And we're going to click to add the subtitle. Look. Okay, so I'm going to say from these two dogs because I can't think of another word that would mean like adult dog, like adult puppy. So I'm just going to say dogs. So today we're just going to be learning how to do the title page, not the whole entire presentation. We're just going to do the title page today and the folder. So next, you're going to choose a font for this. So you're going to go, you're going to highlight it. And, which one do I want? That one looks good. And you don't really have to put one for that. I'm just going to highlight it. So next, you're going to go to design to put, and you're going to go to format background. Go to gradient fill, just put your marker on gradient fill. Sorry if you hear stuff in the background. And then the color is going, I guess purple. We can do purple. That looks good. That looks good. Don't pick any of these because that'll make it on every single presentation you do. So don't do that. Next, you can pick any of these. That one is like maybe if you're doing like candies or food or something. Kind of looks like a pigment. Well, never mind. What does that look like? I'm not sure. And then the pattern fill, you can like have dots. But I'm gonna do a gradient fill. The solid fill is where you just have one color. But I'm gonna do gradient fill. So after that, you're just gonna you're gonna go to File to save it, and you're not gonna press Save because we haven't saved this one before. You're gonna put Save As Recent. You can name it anything like I'm gonna name it Dogs. So we're gonna click Save. I already have a thing named Dogs, so I'm gonna say I do want to replace. So next you can just close it and you're gonna go to, you're gonna, with my mouse, I right click to make this come up, but with your mouse, it might be left click. Or you might not even have a mouse, so. You're gonna go to new, and then you're gonna go to folder. Here's your new folder. Let's bring it over here. And now you're going to write a name, and I'm just going to say how to do PowerPoint because I am teaching you. So I don't really care if it's not capitalized. So there you go, how to do PowerPoint. So next, you're going to go back to PowerPoint through here. Just go back. You might have like a shortcut to PowerPoint, but I don't. So this one just now. And here it is. Now you're going to go back to File and Save As again. We're not going to go to Save because it's not in, and then I don't have a desktop, it just says I do, so, how to do PowerPoint is what we're going to save it, mine to. I'm going to save it to how to do PowerPoint and save. And now, instead of going to PowerPoint to look at your title page, you can just go to the your folder, and you can go to dogs right here, and then it's opened. You're finished. And the next videos, I will be telling you how to do more slides and your ending slides. So, I hope this video was helpful to you, and bye.